In order to customize your lights, both headlights and interior lights in the Toyota, you're going to go from any screen and press this little wheel icon, and that's going to be your settings menu. Scroll down to Vehicle Customize, Lights, and this is going to take you to the screen that you can control your headlights, exterior lights, and interior lights. Within that, you can see auto on sensitivity. In the proper setting, the headlights will turn on automatically as the sun is going down. You can see this one is set to darker. I actually prefer normal. The way to think of this is this will allow your headlights to cut on sooner as the sun is going down, and this will wait a while for the headlights to cut on automatically as the sun is going down. When you turn the vehicle off, your headlights will stay on for 30 seconds. At this setting, you can go up to 90. This allows you to turn your daytime running lights on or off. And then for exterior lights, auto off timer, 15 seconds. I prefer 30 seconds, so that gives me time to get in the house. And then auto off timer for the interior lights, 30 seconds there as well. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, everybody.